Hello everyone, thanks for joining us today. This is Michael and you're watching MW Newscast, your reliable source of information. We got interesting news for today. Let's start with first news. Staying hydrated may reduce risks of heart failure. Heart failure, a chronic condition that occurs when the heart does not pump enough blood to the body, affects more than 6.2 million people in America. This condition is more common among adults ages 65 and older. According to researchers from the National Institutes of Health in the UK, staying well hydrated may be associated with reduced risk for developing heart failure. The study, which was published in the European Heart Journal, analyzed information from more than 15,000 adults aged 45 to 66 and followed them for 25 years. The researchers looked at the levels of serum sodium in the participants' blood. A normal range of this indicator lies between 135 to 146 millimoles per liter. Participants with serum sodium levels on the high end had 39% increased risk of developing heart failure. Drinking enough fluid is essential for various bodily functions, including helping the heart to pump blood efficiently, supporting blood vessel function, and facilitating circulation. The study also recommended women to drink 1.5 to 2 liters and men 2 to 3 liters of fluid a day. Next, fish can perform simple math computations. As humans, we tend to underestimate other species without properly knowing their abilities. Astonishingly, cichlids and stingrays can perform simple addition and subtraction in the number range of 1 to 5. This has been shown in a recent study by the Institute of Zoology at the University of Bonn in Germany, which has been published in the journal Scientific Reports. When there are few objects in a place, we as humans do not even need to count them. A single glance is enough to know how many are there. Well, cichlids and stingrays can do the same. They can detect small quantities very precisely and presumably without counting. For instance, they can be trained to reliably distinguish quantities of 3 from quantities of 4. This may be even more surprising because fish do not have a neocortex or cerebral cortex, the part of the brain that is responsible for complex cognitive tasks in mammals. Unbelievable! Wonder what the animals need the mathematical abilities for! Last study for today, longest lightning ever recorded. Lightning is not just a light show in the sky, it plays a critical role in keeping our planet's electrical balance in check. Aids in fixing nitrogen and as a result helping plants grow, and potentially even help to clear the atmosphere from pollutants. According to the UK's Met Office, lightning strikes our planet 1.4 billion times a year, which is about 44 times every second. Some of them last very few seconds and cover short distances, while others flash for longer time and extended distances. 2 massive lightning bolts recently broke shocking new records. A bolt stretching nearly 800 kilometers across Texas, Louisiana, and Mississippi in the US on 29 April 2020 holds the record for the longest lightning flash, while a lightning mega flash that ripped through the skies of Uruguay and northern Argentina on 18 June 2020 holds the longest lasting lightning flash with 17 seconds. It is possible that with global warming, there may be an uptick in the type of storms that give rise to more powerful bolts and mega flashes and even increase in their frequency. But without doubt, lightning is really one of nature's most awe-inspiring phenomena. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Please click the subscribe button and share with your friends. This is Michael from MW Newscast. See you in the next edition.